Today I'm showing you how to recover a deleted post on Facebook on your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook app on your Android phone. You'll be taken to the Facebook homepage where you can view posts from friends and pages. Step 2. Open Menu. At the bottom or top panel, tap on the 3 horizontal lines or menu icon. Step 3. Access Settings. On the menu page, tap the Settings icon in the top right corner. It looks like a gear. Step 4. Go to Activity Log. Scroll down to the Your Activity section and tap Activity Log. Step 5. Open Recycle Bin. In Activity Log, tap Recycle Bin. This is where all your deleted posts are stored for 30 days before permanent deletion. Step 6. Find Deleted Post. Browse through the recycle bin to find the post you want to restore. All your recently deleted posts appear here. Step 7. Restore Post. Tap the 3 dots next to the post you want to restore. Select Restore to Profile from the menu. Step 8. Confirm Restoration. Tap Restore again to confirm. The post is now successfully restored to your profile. Step 9. Verify on profile. Go back to your profile. You'll now see the restored post back on your timeline. Important notes. Posts stay in the recycle bin for 30 days. After 30 days, deleted posts are permanently removed. You can restore photos, videos, status updates, and all post types. Restored posts appear in their original location on your timeline. And that's it. You've successfully recovered a deleted post on Facebook Android using the Recycle Bin feature.